Welcome back to my series Mathematics for Senior Secondary School by Obafemi Omoniyi. In this lesson, we'll be learning how to check or read antilog of numbers from the four-figure tables. How to check or read for the antilogarithm of a logged number from the four-figure table. In the previous video, I explained how to check the logarithm of numbers. That for you to check the logarithm of numbers, you look up to the characteristic and you check the mantissa from the logarithm table. The same thing applies in checking of the antilog. You will really enjoy it from the video. Please stay tuned and watch the video to the end. Numbers. Write the antilog of the following numbers. 1, 3.532, 0.002, 3, 4, bar 2.7312, 5. Here we have 1 by 1.124. So when you have this type of numbers, you want to read up their antilog. The first number is the characteristic when you are trying to reverse the method I taught you in the previous lesson. So reversing this solution, the antilog of a number a dot b c d on the four-figure table you check this this first part. You write say a dot b c d e implies 10 raised to the power of this a. So this a, you write, since it's the characteristic, you make it to be the power of a. You now say times. So you check 0.bc under the difference e. Check. So then on the table, check 0.bc under the difference e. So example 1, I have 3.532. So how do I check it? I'll say 3.532. To check it to be equals to, first thing you write, convert the characteristic to 10 raised to the power of 3. Then you will now check what is 0.53 under 2. Since there is no fourth number, difference 0 doesn't make anything. So we say 53, we check it under 2. So you can check it and see what the answer is before I'll write it for you. The second one I have is 0.002. How do we read or check the antilog of this number? To read the antilog of this number, I will have 0.002 is equals to, the characteristic is 0, 10 raised to the power of 0. Then I would check 0.00 under 2. So you check 0.00 under 2. I hope you really enjoyed that. So what did you get? I'll write my answer at the end of this class. Number 3, I have 3. 3 can be written as 3.000. So for me to get it, I write out the characteristic out times 10 raised to the power of 3. So what am I going to do? Then I'm going to check 0 under 0. So I will check 0.00 under 0. So have you been able to check yours? Number 4, to read the antilog of this, bar 2.7312. How do we read it? Bar 2.7312. To read this, I will write it as equal to the antilog to be equals to times 10 raised to the power of -2. Checking this, then I will check 0.73 under 1 difference 2. So I'm going to check 0.73 under 1 difference 2. And the last one, the fifth one. The fifth one, how do I look it up on the long 4-figure table? 0.124. To check the antilog of bar 1.124, say is equals to characteristic times 10 raised to the power of -1 from this bar 1. Then I'm going to check for 0.12. So check 0.12. Check on 0.12 under 4. There is no difference. So you write your answer here. Remember, your answer will be in terms of what is it called? Your answer is going to be in terms like a standard form. So we'll go back putting it. So let me check it on the table and write it for you to cross check if you are able to get the correct answer. This is antilog. Antilog. Here is antilog. Here is the antilog. Antilog. And here also is the antilog of the number. Antilog of the number. So let me read them up. Thank you.